Indulge in the creamy, savory flavors of this butter chicken without the guilt. This salad combines tender spiced chicken with fresh greens and a vibrant C60 Power Avocado Oil dressing, perfect for lunch, a light dinner, or even a snack. It's a delicious way to fuel your body and keep you on track all day long. It's time to make some delicious butter chicken salad. Now, this is a decadent recipe and it calls for, you guessed it, butter. I have 2 breasts of chicken cubed and I'm going to marinate them in a delicious, easy marinade before I cook them and before we make our salad. So first, I have some garlic powder. I have a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm gonna add that to my butter. Woohoo! There we go. Isn't that just delightful? Now, I don't wanna make the butter too hot because I don't want it to cook the chicken. We're just going to marinate it. Now we're gonna take the juice of a lemon, a whole lemon. We're going to marinate the chicken with this lemon buttery goodness. Mixing it together as best you can. There we go. So I'm just going to pour this over our chicken. And then we're going to make a dressing for the salad, which is going to include my favorite C60 Power Avocado Oil. There we go. Just gonna coat the chicken in this beautiful, beautiful marinade. And we're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes so it can soak up all of the buttery goodness. So let's make our dressing for the salad. This is going to be a super simple dressing featuring our delicious C60 avocado oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the C60 oil, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt. I love this flake salt. It dissolves so nicely into all marinades and dressings. I'm going to do half of the juice of a lemon. I'm also going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This is going to help cut through the umami flavors in the chicken. So just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which again helps control your blood sugar. And it's really just good for you. It's a good immune boosting food. Chicken's cooking nicely. Look at that butter. Ooh, baby. Everything is better with butter, don't you think? I think so. Now I'm going to let the butter cook off, which is why I'm not closing the pot. Otherwise, I would usually close the pot and get all that buttery flavor in there. Now let's mix up our dressing. Super, super simple dressing. And we're going to put our cherry tomatoes in the salad first. I've just halved them, and you don't have to use them all. You're going to use your fingers to toss it a little. And then we're going to dress it. Such a perfect dressing. So easy to make, so delicious, and so nutritious with the C60 avocado oil. Oh, look at this beautiful chicken. That is going to be so great on top of the salad. Ooh, mama. Now let's take it over here and we can put it right on top of our salad with the amazing C60 Power Avocado and lemon dressing that we made with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so now we have a beautiful salad. We can put a couple of extra cherry tomatoes in there to make it pretty. We're going to take a little bit of the lemon and just drizzle it right on top. And that, my friends, is a delicious and nutritious butter chicken salad.